Lara, you're in Greece 2 weeks. Tell us about the experience of participating in the International Book Fair in Thessaloniki.
It was a really great experience because I met a lot of great people, poets, publishers, and also I met new poets from Croatia that I didn't know before. Everything was really great organized, and I enjoyed it a lot because there are so many people who came to the readings, and events were really crowded and people liked us a lot.
And how could you describe your poetry?
My poetry is it's written in a simple language, and it's mostly about some love themes and island life or that, but I try to write it in a simple way so everybody can understand it and find their selves in them.
You're also here in Larissa almost 2 weeks. What is your impression of the city of Larissa thus far?
Larissa is a really beautiful city with such a great history, and people are warm, and they want to help you wherever you are, and it's a very alive city, even when it's like Monday, Tuesday, it's like a weekend day, and it's really nice place to be, and the food is great, drinks are great, the culture is enormously great, and look at this place, it's beautiful and such a great history.
And today you visit a high school at Tirnavos town. It's around 20 kilometers outside Larissa. What is your impression of this event you participated?
It was great thing to talk to those kids, because I had some doubts about that they won't be interested in poetry, or that they won't have any questions, but they were really interested, and they were asking questions, and I don't know, I think they really liked it, and I liked it a lot, because it's important thing that someone come to your school when you're at that age to, if you want to write or do anything with art or anything else. It's nice to when someone comes to you and tells you your story, to just I forgot the word.
Okay, you've been to Milet before you come to Larissa. You will be at Ljubljana next month, right?
In 2 months.
In 2 months. How can you describe which are the positive things you keep from Ulysses Shelter, and why you think it's important, this project?
It's important because you constantly meet new people and new poets, eventually new friends, and we talk about poetry, and you can meet another culture in every country, and just you get so much experience because of it, and you can write differently after that. It's a very big inspiration.
Thank you, Lara.